Today, the Board of Works approved the installation of 2 more street lights in areas that the light company recommended their need. And we also authorized the installation of a fire plug at Race and Madison Street on the recommendation of the fire department in order to face possible fires in that area. In addition, we've asked the traffic department to make a survey and a report to the board on traffic and parking conditions around the new courthouse.
We have been working closely with the architects and the commissioners in the past on the construction of curb and walk in the public right-of-way around the courthouse. It would seem that possibly a study would show that some parking may be permitted. This will be parallel parking, not angle parking such as being used now. We have actually looked the other way to assist the construction of this building by allowing the people to park rather erratically. It would appear that parking could be permitted, some parking on the west side, and on the north side, and on the east side, but probably none along the south curb.